welcome back. In the last video, we pretty much completed the back end, but off camera, what I did was I did a little housekeeping. Okay, so what I did was, if you recall, the node modules, the .env, the package.json, the server file, all of those things, they were, well, um, okay. So here's what it looked like, the the structure, okay? So I pretty much took the package.json, package lock.json, the readme, and I threw all of that into the server folder. Okay, and I also went into the server package.json. Let me put them side by side so you can see what I did, so you can understand. So that way you don't have to do this. It's just something that I did myself. Okay, so this is what the server file looked. Well, not the server file. This is what the package.json file looked like before. So what I did was, if you look at line 7, I changed it instead of line 7, instead of node start forward nodes server / server. I removed the folder directory here because now they're in the same folder. I did the same thing for line 8. Line 9, which was a little different, I prefixed it with, I went back, if you look at right now, I got out of that folder with .. So if you do that, and then what you could do, once you do that, you can just transfer, depending on how fast your computer is, you can transfer the node module folder into the server folder, or you can just delete it from where it is and go into the server folder and run npm install. So it's up to you how you want to do it. So now that this is done, we are now going to move forward into our client folder. A couple videos back, I did npx create react app client. So now we're going to go into that. This is what it looks like running. Okay, this is the default. This is what it comes to. So let's go ahead and make a few changes. But before we do that, okay, there are a couple stuff that we need to add. Let me bring Material UI, because that's the framework that it's the UI framework we're going to use. Let's go to get started. We're going to do npm install, okay, and we're gonna do these, but let me show you. So npm, let's clear. Okay, so I created another terminal here, having it side by side. Okay, so now we're gonna go into we're gonna cd into the client folder. We're gonna do, actually, let me just do this real quick. Let's copy that. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this. It's the material, the emotion react, emotion styled. Let's copy that. pm install that here. We're also going to need MUI / material. Wait, is it material icon or icon? Can't remember. Okay. Icons. hash material. Okay, gonna need that. So let's paste that. We're also going to need MUI lab. Okay, so while these are installing, let's do a little spring cleaning. Hopefully everything worked as supposed to. We're gonna go into the public folder. We're gonna indexed, and we're gonna change the name here. We're going to do MERN stack blogger. Okay. Now that we've done this, let's close that. We're going to go into our source folder. We're going to delete these three: the logo, the report web vitals, and the setup tests. We're also going to delete the app tests. We don't need those. We are also deleting the, wait. Oh, okay. We are also deleting the git ignore from here. We are deleting the readme from here because we already have a readme for our file. We only need one per project. So we delete that. Of course, you'll notice that we have an error. We're gonna go to our, it's the logo. Take care of the indentations here. Let's get rid of all of this. Don't need that. Let's save this, and then we're gonna go into index. Get rid of this because we don't need that. And report vitals, don't need that either. And now everything compiled successfully. If we try to go, we now have a blank page. Okay. As you'll notice, we're still going on here, so that's why I had it going, because I know this would happen. We still have a couple more modules to add to it. We have React Toastify, we have React Router DOM, we have Axios, Sample Bar, React Transition. So there are a couple stuff that we need to add to it, but let's wait for it. So let's go ahead and install those dependencies, and then so npm I sample bar React. We're gonna do React Router DOM. We're gonna do Axios. We're gonna do React Toastify. We're gonna do GSAP. We're going to need lorem ipsum. Earlier we were going into the Google to generate those those paragraphs. So we lorem ipsum also has a package that can generate that, and we're gonna have some fun with that as well. So I believe these are it. So let's install that, but while that's loading, before it finishes, let's do proxy http /localhost 5000. Oops. Yeah, it's already made some changes. So let's get that out. We're not going to save. Now let's go back into it, and then we can add. Wow, it installed those packages fairly quick. Make sure all of them are here. React styled. Let me see, from 6 to 23. What is missing? The one that was missing. The one that was missing was React transition group. So let's add that React transition group. All right, we're gonna let that load, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.